Imagine enjoying a delicious dessert without the guilt. For most people, dessert is the ultimate treat after a meal or a snack to satisfy those sweet cravings. But many traditional desserts are packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. What if you could indulge in your favorite desserts without sacrificing your health? That's where we come in. Welcome to Purely Health Tips, your go-to source for health-conscious recipes and lifestyle advice. In today's video, we're diving into the world of healthy dessert recipes. You'll discover how to prepare mouth-watering desserts that are not only delicious but also nutritious. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our weekly tips for healthy living and wholesome recipes. Hit that notification bell to stay updated. Why healthy desserts matter. Desserts are often seen as indulgences that break healthy eating habits. However, healthy desserts can be a way to satisfy your cravings while fueling your body with nutrients. By choosing natural sweeteners, fiber-rich ingredients, and healthy fats, you can enjoy dessert without the post-sugar crash. Types of ingredients to use. Here are some common ingredients you'll find in our healthy dessert recipes. Natural sweeteners. Use honey, maple syrup, dates, or coconut sugar instead of refined white sugar. These sweeteners offer more than just sweetness. They contain vitamins and minerals that benefit the body. Healthy fats. Swap out butter or margarine for coconut oil, avocado, or nut butters. These fats provide energy and support heart health. Whole grains and nuts. Incorporate whole grain flours, oats, almond flour, or ground flax seeds into your dessert recipes for added fiber and protein. Fruits. Fruits like berries, bananas, and apples provide natural sweetness and are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Delicious healthy dessert recipes. 1. Avocado chocolate mousse. This rich, creamy mousse is made with avocados, which provide a smooth texture and healthy fats. The cacao powder adds a deep chocolate flavor without the sugar rush of processed chocolate. Ingredients. 2 ripe avocados, a 1/4 cup cacao powder, a 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of sea salt. Instructions. In a blender, combine all ingredients until smooth. Spoon into bowls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh berries or a dollop of coconut cream. 2. Banana oat cookies. These chewy cookies are naturally sweetened with ripe bananas and contain no added sugar. Perfect for a quick snack or dessert. Ingredients. 2 ripe bananas, 1½ cups oats, ½ cup almond butter, a 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mash the bananas and mix in the oats, almond butter, chocolate chips, and cinnamon. Scoop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. 3. Berry chia pudding. This dessert is packed with antioxidants, omega-3s, and fiber, thanks to the chia seeds and mixed berries. It's easy to make, and you can prepare it the night before for a quick, healthy treat the next day. Ingredients. A 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, ½ cup mixed berries. Instructions. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla, and maple syrup in a bowl. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. Top with mixed berries before serving. Tips for making your desserts even healthier. Portion control. Even though these desserts are healthier, it's essential to enjoy them in moderation. Use seasonal fruits. Opt for fresh, seasonal fruits to enhance the flavors of your desserts. Limit processed ingredients. Try to stick to whole, unprocessed ingredients as much as possible. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom to elevate your dessert's taste. Benefits of healthy desserts. Less sugar. By reducing the amount of processed sugar, you avoid sugar spikes and crashes. Nutrient-rich. Healthy desserts often include ingredients like nuts, seeds, and fruits that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Guilt-free enjoyment. You can indulge without the guilt or negative impact on your health. Healthy desserts don't have to be boring or bland. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can enjoy satisfying sweets that also nourish your body. So why not try out one of these recipes tonight? Don't forget to subscribe to Purely Health Tips and hit that notification bell to get more tasty and healthy recipes straight to your feed. Also, leave a comment below letting us know which dessert you're excited to try. Thank you for watching, and remember, healthy eating doesn't mean giving up on desserts. It means choosing the right ones.